Hello everybody, my name is Austin here, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your subtitle files with any video file using VLC Media Player, guys. I had made a video months ago about how you all can merge your subtitle file with any video file, that also for permanently. And I had got some comments in that regarding how we can adjust the subtitle in an video. So today I'm going to show you guys how you all can adjust the delay of the subtitles or the audio, guys. Both of them can be done by this method. So let's get started, guys, without wasting any time. So guys, I had this video, actually this movie, The Pursuit of Happiness. And in this video, guys, there is a subtitle delay. It is a very long delay, guys. It is like the subtitle is coming in the first, and then the vocals are coming after the subtitle has been appeared on the screen. So I'll show you guys right now. As you all can see, guys, on 3 minutes and 29 seconds I'm getting a subtitle over here. Like, I think I should make a list, but there are there are no vocals over here, guys. As you all can see, guys, nobody speaking over here. um, as you all can see, guys, my subtitles are late over here. It is a very long delay. So what I'm going to do is, over here I'm going to adjust this with the vocals, so that the subtitle and the vocal spoken should be there at the same time. Yeah, so that only I'm going to do. So please, guys, hear the information very carefully what I'm going to explain now. um as you can see, guys, at 3 minutes and 29 seconds this subtitle has been appeared over here, but there's nobody talking. So we will just count the minutes, we'll just count the seconds of how much seconds the delay is there actually. So at 3.29 we will just count some seconds until they speak this line. I think I should make a list, this line. So let's just play the video and I will stop when they speak this line. So just count with me, guys, 3.29, and we'll just start the video. Nine.
Should make a list.
So guys, as you can see, guys, after 9 seconds, after perfectly 9 seconds at 3.28, this vocal has been said by that boy. So as you can see, guys, the subtitle appeared was late. Sorry, the subtitle appeared was earlier, and the vocal said was later on 9 seconds. So as you can see, guys, the difference between the vocal spoken and the subtitle is 9 seconds, as you can see. So what we have to do is, here, guys, you can see this three dot icon over here, some adjustments kind of thing. Just show extended settings. If you keep there, just click on that, guys, and this section will pop out, adjustments and effects. So what are you all going to do is, guys, click on this synchronization, this third tab over here, and this section will pop out, guys. Now go to this subtitles video section, and as you can see, guys, this is there, subtitle track synchronization. You can see there is 0 seconds of delay. So as you all saw, guys, in my video, that there is 9 seconds of delay between my subtitle and the vocal spoken. So what I'm going to do is, guys, click here 9 seconds here, 9 seconds delayed. As you all can see, guys, 9 seconds has been delayed now between the subtitle and the vocal spoken. So what we are going to do is, guys, close this thing now, close this thing, and just go back a bit. Yeah, around here. As you can see, guys, around 3.28 seconds my subtitles had been appeared, but now I have delayed the time to 9 seconds, as I saw the gap between by just playing the video. So let's see now if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, that was the fix over here, guys. I hope it helped. And if the problem is vice versa, if, like, for example, if your audio is before the subtitle, if your vocals are coming before the subtitle, then what you should do is, guys, do the same thing over here. Go to synchronization and put your minus sign, guys, minus. So it is hastened now, it's not delayed anymore. So what it will do, guys, it will do the opposite effect of it. So the audio file will be together with the vocals, means the subtitle file will be together with the vocals. So guys, I hope guys this is helped you all properly. I hope you all have understand what I have said in this video. Then too guys, if you all have any questions, you all can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So yeah, this was the fix. So as you all can see guys, the subtitle file and the video file has been totally, you know, adjusted properly. So I hope guys you all have understood this method properly. And if this method helped you guys, please do like my video guys. Please do like this video, share it with your friends as much as possible, because you know people need help. And if you like my content until now, please do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content just like this one. So I'll take my leave now guys. Thank you so much guys for watching and subscribing to my channel. I am Austin Endo here, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care everybody.